Master Trader himself here from Trading Billions Academy. I'm so super excited today. I just want to quickly show you a quick strategy that you can use to build up that small account into a massive, big account. Like I always say, the problem that is here sometimes with traders, they might have the skill, they might know what exactly to do in terms of executing trades in the financial market, but the biggest problem is them having the capital. So you'll find that traders who have a small capital of maybe 10 USD, 30, 50, 100 USD. So it will be difficult for them to actually maximize their potential gaining in the financial market. So I come up each and every time with such kind of scalping methods that can help out each and everybody to get started in terms of trading largely in the financial market by boosting at least their capitals and all that. So today I'm so super excited. This guys is so amazing. This strategy is so amazing. I've just been watching it, trying it, and like you always know, each and every strategy that I post on this particular YouTube channel, it's tested through and through. So the only thing that you need to do is actually to copy out each and every setting that I make. Don't make any mistake, and trust me, it will be profitable. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, ensure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video. And if this video gives you the knowledge that you need in terms of you making money in the financial market, ensure that you like the video and also ensure that you share with your friends. So that's a thing. So basically, this is how, at the end of the day, this is how your setting should look on your device. It should look exactly the way it is right now. So I just want to quickly show you on how you go about it. So I'm going to clear everything on my screen so that I can get started with the settings. So I'm going to clear up every indicator that is there. So there we go. And ensure that you zoom it to the third level of zooming. So this is your chart on your third level of zooming, and it should be on a 1 minute time frame. So the strategy is on the 1 minute time frame. So you come on this your F if it's your first time doing this. So you come here on your F sign. This is your indicator sign. And then you come on main chart. You click there where there is a F plus. You click there. Then you search for an indicator called stochastic oscillator, which is this one here. So here you're going to change your period to 50, the way it is. Your period will be equals to 50. You can just type there, you click there, then you type your period should be 50, which is your K period percentage should be 50. Your percentage D period should be 1. Your slowing, it should be 1 as well. Then your price field should be applied to close. There are so many here which is high, which is low and high, but you should apply it to close. Then your method should be applied to exponential. So there are so many here. Click on exponential there. So on your main is going to be a green. I've choose a green and 2 pixel. So you just click there, then you choose the color just like that. On my sign, on my signal, I have actually put a red there. I don't know if that's maroon or red. So that's what I've done. And on my levels, I have two kinds of levels. There is a buy zone, which is on 20, level 20, and there is a sell zone that is on level 80. And my levels are in black, so you can just choose black as well. So basically, these are the settings for your SO indicator. So ensure that you copy exactly, guys, exactly the way they are, and ensure that you use the same colors so that you cannot be your chart cannot look differently like mine. I advise you using the same colors I'm using so that it can be easier for you. So you click on done, and it will show as indicator window 1 there. Come there, you will find that it has shown here. You find that it has shown there, down there. So the next thing that you're going to do is come on indicator window 1, just there on the F, on the F indicator window 1, F plus there, you click there, then you come on your moving average. So here on the moving average, you're going to use the moving average that is applied in terms of the period to 8. So you click there. If at all you find another period, you click there, you delete the one that you find, then you put 8 there. Shift 0 exponential apply to close, and also pixel. I've used blue and no levels here. So basically the way the settings are here, just do exactly the same way and click done. So here to be showing your SO indicator and your moving average, and there we go. Okay, so this is how the setting should be. And now let me explain how you enter and exit your trades. So if at all you're new to the channel again, let me repeat it. You can just subscribe, and if you subscribe, ensure that you screenshot that you're a subscriber and you have liked the video, and send it directly to my WhatsApp line. I've left my WhatsApp line in the link in the description below. Just share with me to say that you're my subscriber. Then I'm going to add you to the premium Signal group. Wow, that was a spike. I wanted to catch that spike together with you, but is that it has happened anyway. So the thing is that I'm going to add you up to our WhatsApp group, that where I post signals daily, and there you'll be able to get my signals that I post in my premium group. If you're just a subscriber, so go and forward, subscribe, and send me everything in terms of the screenshot, and I'll add you up to our WhatsApp group. So that's a thing. So basically, that's a thing. So here is how the strategy is working. So here, the moment we were supposed to catch these together. So the moment you see the market leaving like the sell zone, for example, the sell zone here, the moment it's leaving the sell zone and also the blue line, they close. The moment they close and they are above the sell zone, you place a sell. But basically, when it comes to this strategy, I would advise you to go together with the spikes. Don't trade against the spikes. Go together with the spikes with this strategy. I repeat again, go together with the spikes. It's better if you go together with the spikes. So I'm explaining both on Crash 500 or Crash 1000 or Crash 300 together with the boom. So I'm explaining on the boom and on the crash. So if it's crash, if you're dealing with the crash, you'll be selling, and if you're dealing with the boom, you'll be buying. So on the crash aspect, if you see it is above this 80 zone, and you see the blue line and the green line, they are above the 80 zone and about to close, you make sure that you sell, you place your sell entries, and before you know it, it will spike. So we are catching spikes. So for example here, it's just that we delayed a bit, so it closed our buy zone, which is our 20%, and also our green closed closed our buy zone, and they were almost there at the edge of closing. Then it has spiked just like that. So the moment you just see your green and your red, they have closed their buy zone, just ensure that you place those sell orders, because before you know it, it will spike. So for example here, the market was moving down, 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 then it passed our the red passed our buy zone, and the green and the blue was just there. So if somebody saw it the moment the blue was approaching this buy zone, a person would have started entering trades in terms of buying here. And the moment the blue line is almost touching this buy zone, it was spike. So what was happening here, I want you to get this. What was happening is that this line, in most cases, you find it that it will reach faster, it will close faster the buy zone, which is the 20 mark here. But for the zone, the moment it just closes, or the moment it just approaches the buy zone, ensure that you start entering, because just after it closes here or almost there, it will spike. So what you are catching are spikes. So that's the thing. So you can check it out, but before you can actually trade using your real account, ensure that you pass through it through the strategy using your demo. Ensure that you pass through using your demo. And thank you so much. And thank you so much for this. I'm receiving a phone call. Thank you so much. Ensure that you do the needful. Thank you so much, and ensure that you subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.